how to excel at your new job. Starting a new job can be quite daunting. With so much to think about, a common question is, how do I start my new job well? Well, we are going to give you vital tips to help you excel. This video will be broken down into 3 components: tips for yourself, dealing with your team, and dealing with your manager. Starting with yourself. Firstly, there's a good chance you'll have imposter syndrome, which basically means you doubt your abilities and feel like a fraud. Now, to overcome these feelings, you need to accept that you're not expected to know everything in the first month, but you have been chosen because your employer believes you possess the right attitudes and ability to excel at your job within the company. You must also be willing to ask questions. No one expects you to run the whole company from your first day, so be comfortable asking everyone questions to help accelerate your learning. Go the extra mile. This means making sure you're putting all your effort into set tasks and demonstrate your dedication. A good way to do this is by getting to work earlier or leaving later to maximize your productivity. And finally, get organized. Make sure you have all your equipment for work and make sure you are not late to anything. Dealing with your team. Now, find out your team members' names. Of course, there is a good chance you will not remember everyone's names, so write down the name somewhere safe like your phone. Trust me, people love to hear their own names and it makes them feel important. Make the effort by meeting everyone within your team top to bottom, both seniors and juniors. Do an introduction about yourself and, most importantly, ask questions about them. And finally, consider asking top performing team members for tips on how to excel at a company, such as any extra training, resources, and anything else that they think is worth working on. Now, the last component is dealing with your manager. Now, the first point is make sure you are present. Being present means participating during projects and discussions and being willing to help out as much as possible. This will demonstrate your dedication and of course your work, but just make sure it's good work because bad work will also be noticed. And secondly, ask your manager about their expectations of you at certain stages. Now, be specific. Ask them what they expect of you by 30, 60 and 90 days. This will help you keep track of your progression and it shows your manager your willingness to learn. So overall, the key takeaways are: be open to learning, be patient and invest time into yourself, team and manager when starting a new job.